I've got a cookware set behind me that I have to evaluate, and for that evaluation, I am going to be using the Ovente hot plate. I think it's pronounced Ovente. I'm never quite sure of these things. I like the way it looks. I like the nice finish it's got. I'm surprised by how good it looks and how well it's put together because it's a value-priced product. It's not very expensive. It's got a really good fit and finish to it, really, really good look, and it looks like somebody paid very close attention to the QC because when I pulled it out of the box, it just looked perfect, absolutely perfect. It's 1,000 watts, not enough to overload most electrical systems, but plenty of power to get the cooking done. This is what it looks like close up if you're having a little party or something and you need to pull it out. It looks very, very nice for that, or it's just in general. It'll look nice in your office or whatever countertop you put it on. It's very easy to operate. You just dial the switch like this. You see the light come on. And then as you can see right now, the red is starting to appear. This thing is very, very, very fast to heat up, very, very warm, and does a very, very good job. A little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Look at that steam come off of there. That's what we want. We want to get rid of that moisture. Add the garlic. Okay, it's just starting to brown up a little bit. Almost ready for the chicken. Ready for the chicken. Time to plate up our taco. We're going to start with a flour tortilla. Next, we're going to add a little bit of the taco meat. Some coconut sriracha, nice and spicy. This Ovente hot plate did a fantastic job. I'm really, really glad I got it, and I'm really happy that I was able to make myself dinner and share it with you today.